Welcome, food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. Into this video, we'll make string beans, adobo known as adobong sitaw. Adobong sitaw is a dish where the beans and pork pieces are simmered in a sauce consisting of soy sauce and vinegar. Using pork liver or pork in this recipe is optional, but it tastes better with the meat. I recommend adding a lot of garlic to this recipe to make it tastier. This recipe should take you 20 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 whole garlic boiled, smashed and peeled, 15 ounces of pork liver or pork belly, 16 ounces of string beans cut in 2-inch length, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of dark soy sauce, 1 cup of white vinegar, 5 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of pepper. Start by heating an 11-inch casserole on low heat. Add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the garlic and saute them for about 2 minutes until golden. Add the liver and keep mixing for about 5 minutes. Add the string beans and saute them for about 2 minutes until they turn brown. Add the water, soy sauce, and vinegar and bring it to a boil. Add the pepper and the bay leaves. Cover the casserole and cook it for about 5 minutes until the string beans soften. Your adobong sitaw is now ready to be served. This dish is best served immediately while still hot with steamed rice, quinoa, or mashed potatoes. You can keep leftovers in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 days. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.